Omani ambassador to China Nassir Mohammed Al-Busaidi has said that Oman has a long history of exchanges with China and expects the two countries to work together in order to deepen their strategic partnership. The ambassador made the remarks in an interview with Xinhua during the ongoing 7th China-South Asia Expo in Kunming, China's Yunnan province.
荣幸参加南博会这个活动，对这个活动特别满意。我觉得南博会是一个特别好的机会，把南亚国家互相了解。
Nassir said that the exchanges between China and Oman have a long history of over 1,000 years.
很早以前就是阿曼的航海家出广州，还有各个地区。你们这边就是600年前最有名的航海家建哈，也是好几次去阿曼，所以海上丝绸之路，阿曼和中国的就是最重要的就是贸易方面的。
Nassir said he would like to promote Kunming Yunnan to more Omani people.
阿曼是一个不但是那个石油生产的国家，海产的方面的也挺多的。现在的话，就是很多阿曼的，就是到去那个广州，对广州特别了解，所以我希望就是除了广州以外，我想未来阿曼的都了解昆明。
Nassir said that in the future he hopes that more Omani companies will attend the expo so that Chinese consumers can know various products of Oman, and at the same time he hopes that more Chinese companies will invest in Oman.